everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this makeup look right here, especially the eyeshadow. To me, I see it more as a tropical vibe eyeshadow, and show you guys step by step how to get this eyeshadow look. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Thalia and welcome to my channel, guys. Bienvenidos. So let's just get started with the camera. I did my eyebrows. I did use the It Cosmetic brow pencil, and I also set my eyelid with the Tarte Shade Tape Concealer, Bare Beige, and I set my eyelid with the Remmel London pressed powder. If I don't set my eyelid, it will like crease and it's not gonna look pretty at all. Start off with the eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow palette that I'm gonna be using is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I haven't used this in quite a while and I'm so excited to go create a really nice colorful eyeshadow, and it's been a while, so I'm really excited to create more nice colorful looks for you guys. Today's vibe, I want to go more like a tropical. It's like the pineapple, the green, the yellow, and the dark green. So those are the colors that I'm actually aiming for. First shade I'm going to be going in is with this yellow shade right here. I'm taking my Real Technique beige shadow brush. This is the angle that I'm going to be using. So the first thing what I'm going to do is I'm gonna apply it like in my inner crease, kind of like, don't go like further down to your outer V. You're just gonna focus on that main area right here. To make it really bright, guys, I like to grab a little bit more of that eyeshadow and just kind of apply it. Sorry if I'm looking this way, I have my mirror. I want that yellow to be more bright. In deep in my crease and kind of like smudging it, like, and just kind of going back and forth just so it can have that really nice, I can get that really perfect eyeshadow shade. This is what it's supposed to look like, so I'm not going all the way to my outer V, so I'm just doing like halfway, like if I'm doing a cut crease. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm just doing like halfway. The next shade I'm going to apply is this lime green shade right here, and I'm actually taking this eyeshadow brush from Bless. This is the angle that I'm going to be using and place in the middle of my crease. And what I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna go deep in the middle crease and kind of deepen it in. So I'm just gonna like smudge it. I'm gonna do circle motions just to, it can be more bright. Green shade to stand out a little bit more. I suggest you to get more of that product. At the end, we're gonna blend all these shades. The next shade I'm going to go in is with this dark green shade right here, and I'm going to be taking this like a teal shade. I'm mixing these two together. My Morphe M573 brush, and this is the angle I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be mixing those two colors that I mentioned and kind of apply that in my outer V. And then what I'm doing is I'm kind of like swirling in the outer V, blending in. Now that I apply that, I'm going to take a different brush. This is the Anastasia brush that comes with the palettes. It really works so well. So I'm taking this and I'm taking a little bit of both of those shades, and I'm going to go and deepen the eyeshadow. Back with my Morphe brush, and I'm just going to blend the outer V. And then I'm just going to deepen in a little bit in the outer V. Just want it to be very smoky in the outer V. I'm taking another clean brush, which is the Anastasia. And I'm just going to blend the top. Make sure it's a clean brush, that way you can blend the top of your shadow that you created. All the shades can blend in. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other eye and I'll get back to you guys. For primer, I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And this primer is actually really good and I really like this primer. This is a travel size and it lasts me pretty good, guys. Foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way, and this is the shade Almond. Applying dots all over my face. I haven't used this foundation in a while. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray my sponge just to have a little moist. And I did use the E.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. And I'm actually blending down to my neck. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shade Tape Concealer, and this one is Fair Beige. I'm gonna go ahead and just blend my concealer. With my Airspun loose face powder, and I'm only going to apply in the areas where I apply my concealer. I'm going to go in with my Hoola Quick Contour Stick, and I'm just going to apply this. And my forehead area, I like to be a little bronzy. With my beauty sponge, again, I'm gonna spray my sponge and I'm just gonna blend the contour. My next finishing powder, and I'm just gonna set like the whole face. Taking my beauty sponge and I'm just gonna dab in this powder, and I'm gonna apply it all over my face. So I'm only applying a little bit because this powder is so strong. I don't like the smell of it. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the powder that I just applied. I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox. For bronzer, I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. I am applying on my forehead area because I do want it to be a little bronzy. Go ahead and go back with the Airspun loose powder, and I'm gonna take this edge of my sponge and I'm just gonna like line it up. Wet n Wild blush, Mellow Wine, which is this shade right here. Mix two blushes, my Benefit blush, and this one's Rock. So I'm going to be mixing these two shades, and I'm just going to apply it. And I'm actually applying it upwards. And then I am taking a little bit of the Wet n Wild blush, and I'm gonna apply it on my tip of my nose. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my powder with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and with my green shade I'm gonna apply it in my bottom lash line. I'm gonna go in with this teal shade right here. I'm gonna go in with my Strobe and Glow palette, and I'm gonna be taking this silver, this lustre shade right here, which is more like a silver shade. Pure Cosmetic, and I'm actually going to be taking Afterglow, this shade right here. I'm gonna go back with this shade right here, and I'm just gonna highlight. A little bit at the tip of my nose. And gonna apply my Q-spell area. Open my finger and then kind of bring it upwards to the bridge of my nose. And then just applying in the temples of my forehead. For eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with my NYX eyeliner. And this one is the matte liquid liner. And take my mascara. I'm taking this double decker lashes, and this one is Butter London. With this look, it will look so pretty with lashes, but you know the drill with me. I take so long to apply lashes, and yeah. And apply a little bit mascara on my bottom lashes. Liner, I'm gonna go in with my Kylie Cosmetic. This one is Candy K. Kylie Cosmetic Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this one is Candy K. ColourPop a lip gloss. This one is Moonchild. It has a little bit of brown tone in it, but I just wanted to like lighten up a little bit. E.l.f. setting spray, and just spray my whole makeup, which I'm not going nowhere. Okay. I love how the eyeshadow turned out. I think with lash, it will look super pretty. And the struggle for 10 minutes to apply those lashes, no, I do not want to go through that. I did use 4 shades and it turned out so nice. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.